Would you recognize glitter if you saw it? Maybe not. In 2018, a representative of the company Glitterex refused to reveal who their number one buyer was and what they used the glitter for. All they were able to say was that no one would ever be able to guess who they are, that the glitter wouldn't be recognizable as glitter once they'd used it, and that they absolutely do not want people to know that they use glitter in the first place. So obviously, the internet has been losing its mind trying to figure it out, and there are a couple of strong theories, but nothing that can be proven. But these are the favourites. Boat paint. Well, yeah, if I was a buyer who was worried about directly contributing to microplastics in the ocean, sure, I'd want to keep it quiet too. But boat paint, especially on like those high glam super yachts, is visibly sparkly, and apparently we shouldn't be able to recognise it as glitter, so a strong contender, but it does have some holes. Toothpaste. Brushing your teeth with glitter? Yeah, that would upset some people for sure, but again, this theory arises from people noticing that some toothpastes have sparkly bits in, which shouldn't be the case going by the clues that we have. Plus, when glitter is used in other bath, beauty and hygiene products, it isn't exactly a secret, and you're not supposed to swallow toothpaste anyway, so would this one really be a big enough of a deal that they have to cover it up? Roads. Another one that would cause concern if true, but would they bother to keep that a secret? It's not like anyone could just remove the roads in response. And finally, food. This one is pretty broad, but it certainly fulfills the criteria of not being recognizable. It's for sure something that would be hush-hush, and probably no one ever would guess who the culprit is because there are so many food manufacturers, there's just too many suspects. I don't know. One day they might just come clean, but until then, if you looked hard enough,